So about once a week while I'm out at the trails, I get asked this question from people, and they're like, do you trust that SeaSucker to put your expensive bike on top of the car? I'm like, well, I drove here, right? I mean, the expensive bike or bikes, like, yeah, I do, obviously. That's why I use it. And they're like, are you sure? Like, it would be really bad if it fell off the car. Yeah, it would be. So, I mean, the point comes up, right? At some point here, there is some maintenance that needs to be done on these, and what does that look like, right? So, I've had these for, I don't know, going on 10 years now, and every so often I have to replace some parts, right? Like, they just won't stay suction cupped down to the car well. No matter what I do, you see them come back out, right? And when you're using them, you want them to be, black, no orange showing. And eventually, like, they just give out, right? The cups become worn out. And you can kind of see this. I've already replaced this one. But if you look, it's not level anymore, right? Like, this cup is brand new plunger. This guy's super, super worn down. This is even worse. The back one here that holds the rear wheel, it's totally nuked, right? Like, it'll stay for a day or so, and then it gets worn out. So what do you need to do? You need to order some replacement cups and parts from SeaSucker, right? Not too expensive. You just go to their website and order it up, right? 2 tools needed: Phillips screwdriver. I believe this is a 4mm wrench. And pretty easy to disassemble, right? So take your 4mm, just disconnect this guy. Obviously, you could do this with power tools if you want. I don't think it's necessary. All right, and he just snaps off. Notice that there's a orientation to these guys in the bottom. They match up to here, and that's how it clips in. You just kind of set him aside. And obviously, you got your 4 Phillips screws. Now, I don't put any Loctite or anything on these screws. I don't think that's necessary. You should be periodically cleaning the cups, the bottoms of them, with soapy water. Usually take them inside, put a little Dawn on them, clean them up, just make sure they stay clean. All right, so on this cup here, again, this guy is old. This plunger is old. I'm not keeping any of this. I'm just gonna take the top piece off. Again, keep the orientation exactly the same. This is getting thrown away. Goodbye. And the pump, and the new bottom piece. Again, this is exactly how it comes, straight out of the box from SeaSucker. Take your guy off. Orientation wise, keep it the same. So I'm keeping this lip to the front. This is where the edge was. Set him down, plunger. It does come with the grease that you put inside the plunger. It already come pre-greased, so I'm just gonna put that guy back in the box for later. Set him aside. Little covers, right? So if you're storing your SeaSucker, you can put these on it, keep them from the rubber from getting damaged. Mine's almost always on the car. Again, it comes with the orange caps. Take that, toss it. 5th hole here. This is why that orientation matters, right? So it pushes down into that. Okay. Again, back straight forward. 4 screws. If you're using some kind of power tool, I recommend that you don't start that with the power tool. I would start it by hand. Get all 4 going. And then I do like a X pattern. And yes, I am tightening this hard. That's my first point. No, I don't want it flying off the car. All right, so that's really tight. Okay, and like I said, there's the 2 dots here, and then that orientates to here. Sometimes it helps if you pick it up. Okay, looks good. Old rainy day, can't ride, bike activities. What are you gonna do? Find something to screw around with. Okay. Put that on, tighten it down. Yeah. Okay, mint, right? Now everything's level, brand new, good to go. Place the 3rd in the back if you want. Rear tire holder, similar deal, except for there's no 4mm bolt. You can put the wrench away. It's all Phillips screws, 4 of them. Similar fashion. These are remarkably loose, surprisingly loose. Shockingly loose. And also like super gritty. Gross. Again, set that aside. Trash. Box of parts. Orientate it so the 5th hole is towards the rear. And plunger. Following the game. Back in the box. Toss. Orange guy off. Toss. X pattern. And there you have it. Okay. So 2 cups replaced. Obviously the other 2, and I did this one previously, and that other one was fairly new still. So every couple years, right? This is not a once a year thing. This is an every couple years. Take care of the pucks. Make sure they stay clean. Keep them on. And when you put them back on the car, make sure there's a little water here, right? That's the other pro tip. Don't put this on a dry panel. All right, and that's all you need to do to keep these working and keep your multi-$1,000 bike from flying off the roof of the car. Hope that helps. Cheers.